Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Bumble account on the Bumble app. So this is helpful if you're new to Bumble and you want to get your account ready step by step. So first open up the Bumble app on your phone and tap the option to create an account. So then enter your phone number, choose your country code and continue. If a confirmation pop-up appears, tap to confirm. After that, Bumble will send a verification code to your phone. So enter the code and move to the next step. Next, you may see a few permission screens. If Bumble asks about passkey, you can set it up or tap not now. If it asks for location, allow it while using the app, and you may also see options for notifications or tracking. So just choose the one that you prefer and then continue. After that, enter your first name and date of birth, then confirm your age. Choose your gender, decide if you want it shown on your profile, and add your email address. If Bumble asks whether you want updates, just pick the option that you want. So in some cases, you may also see a screen asking what you want to use Bumble for, like dating or friendship. So select the option that fits for you. Now it's time to set up your profile. Tap the plus icon and upload your photos. After that, you can add extra details like your education, work, or other information about yourself. Or you can skip those parts if you want. If more optional profile questions appear, you can answer them or skip again. And finally, accept the terms, open your profile, and your Bumble account is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.